Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Preps and Armory. My name's Levi, and today I'm going to give away a Viking Comb. As always, I'm here in the workshop, and I am super excited because my channel just finally hit 10,000 subscribers. Now, this has been a huge goal. I've been working on my channel for a long time. I posted my first video over 10 years ago. I now have like 70-something build videos on this channel. And I want to say thank you to all the people that watch my videos, hit that like button down below, leave a comment, subscribe. I mean, you guys have all helped me get to the place that I am today, and it has been amazing. I want to continue making more videos, and I want to be able to give away more free stuff. But today, if you guys didn't watch the build video, I'm going to put a link right up there. Click on it. You can see me build this little brass comb, which I made last year in April, I believe. Without further ado, let's draw for this comb. Huge congratulations. I'm going to email you and get the contact info so I can send this to you. Now, for those of you who are disappointed that you didn't win the comb, I made a couple of extra. So if you're interested, I'm going to put these on my Etsy store. I'll leave the link down in the description below. If you guys want to help support the channel, they'll be for sale there. You guys can check it out. You can see some of the other products that I sell. You guys can buy t-shirts on Teespring. There's a whole bunch of ways that you can support the channel. Anyways, I can't wait to do my next video, and thank you so much for joining me. See you next time.